Hey everyone, grocery haul time. So it is Tuesday 28th of Feb at 4:10. Semi-rhyme and reason for coming at this time. I'm hoping it's around markdown time. Not entirely sure because the last couple of times I've come, they haven't done markdowns till later. They've done the salad type stuff at around 4 o'clock, but the meat wasn't done till like 5:36. Don't know, don't really need any markdowns because I need the space more than I need the markdowns, but if we find some markdowns, I won't say no. We do need milk, iced coffee, cream cheese, the apricot cheese I have, chips, cookies, corn, tuna. We need those things. We have run out. We have to replace them. Anything else is a bonus. Let's go in, see what we can get. Oh, we also have a Coles $50 flybuy spend $50 or more and get 1,000 points, which is about $5. And not great, but we're out of the 4-week spend. Aldi doesn't have some of the things that I'm going to need, so I'd rather just do everything at one shop at Coles and be done, and hoping to find a few little goodies as well. So let's go. Okay, heading in, got bags today. That's a plus. Oh, I keep just chucking stuff in the car, in the boot, loose, crazy. So these flowers were marked down. They were really good. I like them. If they were $1, I'd have got them, but also I kind of figure you can't eat them, so I don't really want to waste my money buying flowers. I know it's not much, but still. Gonna grab watermelon, being only $2.50 a kilo, but no doubt this piece weighs probably about 2 kilos, so doubles in size. Sugar snap peas, I thought that was snow peas, so was going to grab them but decided to leave them. And I'm going to grab some of the cream cheese, $3.50. It's gone up from $3, great. Got some potato, no, I didn't get any potatoes, but I looked in the potato section for the clearance. Saw the prawns were on clearance. Just wasn't feeling it today, but normally I would have. And this pavlova we got cheaper the other week, so I didn't get that one today. But checked out the clearance section. There's lots of little bits and pieces in here today. Not really much that's catching my eye. I did get some wraps and I pulled all of them down to the front section so other people have the opportunity to get some. I think I end up getting 2 packs as well because we're going through them pretty quickly. Got some brioche bread for my daughter because she really likes it, and the fact it was on clearance, and this second pack tried to jump in my trolley, so I put that back for someone else. Lamington fingers, we're out of those again. Oh, today's shop is going to be basically just replacing everything that we've run out of. Absolutely. A good thing I don't need any oat milk today because there is like none. And I was going to get some of, the vanilla one is here. Yes. Haven't been able to get this for a couple of weeks. So finally going to put that in there. Hopefully we have enough at the end. Of course, this is not on special, so we're just going to leave it. I was just looking to see what other things are here. Good thing I don't need any drinking chocolate today because there's none. And this shop doesn't do the plant-based Milo, sadly, so something to keep an eye out for. And I'm always looking at coffee prices because it's something that I need to keep in mind. Oh yeah, I did get some roasted veggies and some broccoli marked down as well, so just showing you guys those. Finally, some chocolate chip cookies are here. They haven't been here for a few weeks, so I'm going to get some of those. And I'm going to get 2 packs of these Pringle chips. They're not the best price, and although we don't have school anymore, at least it's a portion control thing. And I have gotten other chips and broken them down, and no one eats them, so it's hard. If I was really on a tight budget, they wouldn't even come into it. They'd be eating cakes and homemade cookies for sure. I tell you right now. Apple juice, need one of those. Muesli bars, need a couple of those. I'm getting the honey ones because there is no chocolate chip ones here. So 2 of the honey ones will just have to do. Not really happy with the price of this Cantong, but it's probably about the best price that it's been for a while on special. So going to grab 2 because we need 1 for dinner this week and then 1 for the cupboard. So yeah, not the best price, but it's better than paying full price, which I never would do anyway, but at least we're trying to stay ahead of running out completely. A jar of tuna, because we're out as well. Oh, far out. Oh yeah, we put one of the packs of wraps back because we're trying to juggle the prices and make sure we've got a good deal. And I'm debating about that vanilla syrup because I remembered the iced coffee and I got this one. The children weren't very happy because I got the no added sugar, but I said it's a markdown and they're like, oh dear. And the Herbert Adam pies, I did get another packet of these because yes, it's got the discount on it this week and Flybuys members got the $2 off. Got some corn kernels and I thought there was none to start with. I was panicking. And then I saw the price and it's just not good. $4.50. Like, seriously. And I wish that I should look at the cans and see how much are in the cans and then open it and see how much liquid and actual product is in there. The frozen kilo bag would probably still be cheaper for sure. And sadly, I do have to put the vanilla syrup back. So, oh well, it will go on the list for next time. We are back. It was too noisy to do the outro while I was there. So I've spent $57.50 and yes, I got the $2 off of the Herbert Adam pies, so a pack of 2 comes down to $4.30. Super good price. I had seen on a shelf or advertising that it had the $2 off and it had members price $6.30 and I thought that's not right, and I'm sure that I got a discount the other day when I bought a pack, so I thought I left it till last on my docket so I could clearly see that the price had come off. So bit frustrated that it cost $57.50. The biggest weight was the watermelon, was 1.8 kilos even though it was the smallest piece that was there. So that cost $4.56. The frozen corn kernels, $4.50 for a kilo. That's terrible. I was banking on them being $3.20 or whatever they were last time. That's frustrating. Probably should have put the tuna back because we had tuna the other night, so not really going to eat it now for another week, if not 2 weeks. Really only have tuna patties because the tuna mornay the kids don't really eat, so it's not really worth hubby and I. Forgot the milk. Got the iced coffee, forgot the milk. It's because I had gone up and down all the aisles, and the aisle I come out, the iced coffee was right there, and I didn't walk back to see milk. I was a little bit all over the shop I didn't go up and down every single aisle either. Could have put back the packets of chips for the kids, but didn't. Did put back the vanilla. I'll get it another time. Put back the second pack of wraps. Get that another time. Could have put back a packet of the muesli bars. I think we still have at least a couple, because also I've just got another Flybuys offer, haven't I? Same deal, spend $50 and get 1,000 points or $5 off. So things I couldn't get will move to next time. I'm going to start a list, I think, and then I want to track that for March. So what we'll do is we'll build a bit of a list of what we need, and I'll show you how I cycle through that. I think that's a plan. But this is the 28th of February when I'm recording this, so you won't see that until probably the following week. But I will time stamp when I record all the others, and I'll take you shopping with me. All right, thanks so much for your time today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the grocery haul. I can't believe I forgot the milk. Oh, let's not even go there. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.